Welcome to How to Draw Stuff, where today we are going to show you how to draw a roaring jaguar. We are going to divide the jaguar's face into two main parts with circles. The smaller circle for the roaring jaw and the larger circle for the rest of the head. Two large triangles at the top of the large circle make the ears. After, we make a cross to indicate where the eyes will go. The nose is a kind of heart shape, and these curves mark the nostrils. Before I draw the jaguar roaring, I'm going to draw the jaw closed in pencil. This way I can ensure I have the head shape correct. After using the cross to place the eyes, I then sketch out the rest of the outline. Now we do the famous marking of the jaguar's coat. We want to ensure the drawing stands out, so I will go over some of the features in shade for texture. We want the eyes to look very striking. Be careful of where the light is when shading. We need to ensure that it's even. Now we have the head shape, we want to open up the jaw. For a roaring jaguar, the exposed teeth are very important, especially the large incisors. Feel free to detail and shade as you go. Now we want to draw in the bottom jaw to show the roar. This is a bit tricky. You want to make sure the angle is correct, so keep looking at the image of the jaguar for perspective. Now we draw in the bottom set of teeth. Here I'm filling in the rest of the jaguar's jowls. For the rest of the video, you can see me fill in the details. Don't be afraid to rub out sections which don't look right. This is why we are drawing in pencil. Here I'm using lines emanating from the snout for whiskers. Some darker spots work great to show the jaguar's markings. I can now go over some of the original lines to make the features look better. And here is our finished roaring jaguar. If you enjoyed this video tutorial, give us a like and don't forget to subscribe for more to come. We'll see you next time.